plant-based patties. It's called Beyond Burger. You can get this at Costco. This goes for, I think, what? We got 10 patties in here, 17 bucks, so $1.70 a patty. I've got my Kirkland hamburgers sitting here too. We're gonna try those as well, along with these. The first thing I noticed though when I opened this up and smelled it, it smells like when you open a can of refried beans. I'm like, what am I smelling? What is that familiar smell? It smells like refried beans. I'm gonna season it like I would a regular hamburger. I'm gonna put a little pepper and salt on it as well. I'm gonna put some garlic salt on there. Nice and hot, and then I'll drop it to a medium. I'm also gonna cook some of my Kirkland, because we already know we love these. So some ingredients, let's see. Water, pea protein. Pea is P-E-A, pea protein. All right. Expeller pressed canola oil, refried coconut oil, rice protein, natural flavors, dried yeast, cocoa butter, meth. Our 4 minutes are up. I'm gonna flip it now. You can see it's actually starting to bleed through a little bit. I guess that's a good sign. That's generally what I watch for with normal hamburger. Cook it on that side for 4 more minutes, and then I'm gonna test the temperature on the inside of it until it's 165. Okay, that's what they look like after 4 minutes on a skillet on a medium high. Let's see, I'll check the internal temperature real fast. Let's see, this one's at 158, 161. I would say that's pretty accurate then. 4 minutes on each side. I'm at 165 on both of them. There you go. For the first time ever, I'm nervous.
You're nervous?
Yeah, it almost feels like a CrossFit workout. It's a really bad one, like that I'm getting ready to do. I get that same gut check feeling. What does it smell like?
Not good.
It doesn't smell good?
That's so gross.
Oh, you're really...
It tastes like glue.
When have you had glue?
Well, it's like Elmer's glue.
You've had Elmer's glue?
I haven't eaten it, but it tastes like it smells.
Okay, I'm gonna say it's better than I thought.
I could not.
Hey, we want another opinion.
It's not good.
Yeah, you're good. Let's see if a 16-year-old young man who's a meat eater, we'll see what he thinks.
It's not bad, but it's not good.
Is it better? Well, have a bigger bite maybe.
Would you eat a hamburger?
If there was cheese and a bun and ketchup and lettuce and
Yeah.
whatever else, you probably wouldn't really even notice.
Right, I'm with you on that. I am so surprised,
It's kind of weird though.
Does it get better the more you eat, or is there, it kind of does, huh?
Cause it's got the char from it that normally has on a burger. I don't know.
Hey, that's good. Okay, see that. I think it gets better almost. The aftertaste is good too. Wow, I'm pleasantly surprised. I might be a vegan at heart and didn't even know it. God, probably not, but hey, does it taste like burger-ish?
It's almost there.
Thanks for watching Chef Dawg. I hope you enjoyed this one. Thanks for commenting, subscribing, liking, all that other stuff. We love that you guys do all that. Hey, thanks for watching Chef Dawg. Bye. Methylcellulose. That sounds like a type of cancer.